everybody, it's Memphis J here from Black and Tan Media. I got my son, Jacob Jr. with me, and okay, that isn't in the script, but that's okay. That's good information. I hope you got that out there. So anyway, we're going to make it quick. We're going to make it simple. So thank you video to our first 100 subscribers. We just hit the 100 mark. We've been running this contest, giving away 3 of these Furibee F-36 drones in February. So you got to be subscribed to our YouTube to win. And we just want to say thanks for the first 100 and hitting that mark. It's not a whole lot to a lot of channels, but it is something to us. We were at about 50 or 60 a week or two ago when I started really kind of actively trying to grow this channel to get over the YouTube hurdles that they just placed in the month of February. So we got to get to 1,000 to stay monetizing videos. So the main purpose of this video is to say thank you to our first subscribers. So seriously, we appreciate it.